Hi everybody, thank you very much to wait me. I am sorry to come you late because I have a lot of duties here in my home and in my life, so I am very sorry. Today I will explain with you how to use this book. As you can see, here is scripts, and I will teach you how to build these scripts. Okay, if you will find something here with two slash like that, it's mean like that. I want to show you here like that. It's mean that it's a comment. It is not a code. Okay, and every code it will be end with this symbol. It means that it's the end of the code. Okay, so here I will we will use this scripts, and here I am explaining for you how to use the script. What is the content of your and what is your codes, and I am explaining for you how to use these codes. Okay, we will build game like that. I will show you here, but at first I will make the sound is sound like that. Yeah, we will make a game like that. Okay, and here tap to start. Oh sorry, here like that, and I will teach you how to build scene like that, and we will build 3D scenes. We will make this game and we will build something like that. Here's menu and here levels. This is our menu. We can build something like that. Here I can use character like subway. Okay, so some students ask me to build pixel art, and I will teach them how to use Blender to build pixel art, 3D pixel art. Okay, thank you very much, and waiting you in the next video.